Hello and welcome to another recording. This is again create an equivalent form of an algebraic expression, and these are medium level questions. Let's look at the first one. It says 12a square b cube plus 4a cube b square minus 8ab power 4 plus 16ab plus 4a. Now I'm going to find it difficult to, sort of take common and so on. But maybe I could do that. I see that there's a four commons. I think the ones with the four commons should be the answer options. Okay. The last answer option doesn't sort of work. Why? Because I get three terms at the end while I want five terms at the end. So it's either answer option A or answer option B. Now, the difference in the two answer options that I see, I could go ahead and do a trial and error and say that let's first try to expand A, okay, and see what we get. We get 3a square b cube plus a cube b square minus 2a b cube, okay, and that gives me the first three terms that I have there in the original expression. And what do I get? I get 4ab from here and plus 4. So when I multiply all of these out, but there's this fear that I have that I'm sometimes going to, sort of mess up the powers. So I have to be careful. If I am careful, now you see I've messed up the power here, power 4. Okay, that was easy to spot, so that didn't create a problem. What I could instead do, I know that A is the right answer option. I could say that the first three, all of them have a 4 common, so I'm going to go with that. And then there's a group of three terms. Okay, 4ab plus A. So there's a group of three terms. So what is the common in the first three terms? I see an A common and a B square common. So I'm left with 3ab plus A square minus 2b square. Okay, those are the ones that are left common. Then in the next two terms, I have this common, so 4b plus 1. That gives me the first answer option as the correct answer option. So I could also factorize, I could do a bit of trial and error. What I'm going to do in most questions is do trial and error. Okay, this is just about question number 2 is about rearranging. Let's do that. So 7a square b plus 3ab square b. The next one is about addition subtraction. So 5x minus 2y plus 4x plus 4y minus y minus 2x. So I get 7x plus y. Okay, I could factorize this, or I could do a bit of trial and error on the answer options. I see that I want a plus 15, that's 3 multiplied by 5. Okay, if I do the first one, plus x minus 5x minus 5. So if this gets multiplied, it's going to give me minus 15x. That sort of doesn't work for me. So I go on and see if I can have a better answer option. I need a plus 5. So this one will give me plus 5. This one will also, but the last one has a 3 outside. So I'm going to test answer option D first and see if I get my correct answer. Okay, so that's 3x cubed minus 18x squared plus 15x. Yes, that works. So D is the correct answer. Okay. The next one, addition and subtraction. So 2x minus 3x plus 4y minus 6y minus x minus 2y. Okay, that is the correct answer. Let's see if we have more medium level questions. I am going to go with more medium level questions and then level up because I've just gone through 5 of them. Okay, let's look at this. Okay, so I have x squared and I have plus 6x and then I have 9y squared and minus 12y. I've rearranged a little. Okay, so Let's look at the first answer option that we have, A. So x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus 9y squared plus 12y. No, I want a minus 12y. So that doesn't work. So answer option A can't be true. I'm going to go on to answer option B, and that looks like it might be something that could work. Yep, that sort of works. All the terms are balancing now, so that's the right answer. Okay, moving on. Again, there's a 4 common and a square plus 5a plus 6. Now, if you know breaking the middle term, you could, sort of break it directly. I can see that this should be a plus 2 and a plus 3. That gives me 5a, and multiplied together, that gives me 6 as well. So it's about thinking about the shortest way out in these questions. Okay. Okay, then again, I see this is a completed square form. Okay, let's look at another way. Since I can see the turning point in my answer options, why don't I try to find the turning point in my question as well? Okay, so I get the turning point as minus 1 comma 6. That should be this. Yes, that is the correct answer option. So you see, there are multiple ways of doing these same questions. Okay, I see 2x can be taken common, so I am left with x squared minus 4x plus 3. Again, if I factorize this, that's easy. X minus 3 into x minus 1. Yep, A is the correct answer option. You could again do trial and error and end up with the same answer. Looks like it's the same question again. Oh, no, that was the correct answer. I think I'll have to go through all of the answers again. I think this won't let me level up right now. Oh, okay. Okay, so I remember the answers now. I'm not just breezing through them. This was 5x plus 4x, 7x, and minus y, I think. 7x plus y. This was this. It's still going on. Let's quickly do this then. Minus x minus 2y. Okay, all of these are correct. Then, okay, that ends this video. I will be back with more difficult questions in the next one. Thank you for watching.